Hello wishers, Namaste. Welcome to my channel SA Shell Speaks Messages. I am SA. Now, before jumping on to your reading, okay, I just want to give some additional messages to everyone. This is an open message for every sign, for everyone, for every subscriber. I just want to wish everyone a very happy Diwali. Happy Deepavali to everyone around the globe, okay? And this is the festival of lights, colors in the form of rangoli and traditional outfits, happiness, lights, sparkles, crackers. So stay blessed, enjoy this, and yes, wish you a very very happy Halloween. And again, enjoy yourself, stay blessed, okay? And what else? Let me grab. Yes, thank you for the love that you all are giving me. I really cherish it. I'm enjoying it, and I am believing more and more that you people love me, with the depth of your heart. Thank you so much. And for the personal readings, you can always contact me via email, and in the description box there is my email address. And what else? Yes, you can message me on my Facebook page as well. So there's an open message. I'll be like grabbing this right from here. It's an this is keep an open mind. This is saying something. Now, your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. This is the message that is written, but I'll be grabbing this. Keep an open mind. So I feel as if this season of festivities around the globe will be very very beautiful and is beautiful, so you all gonna enjoy it. Keeping an open mind will make the opportunities, and you all will attract good things in your world. That is my hope, and that is my blessing for you all. So keep an open mind whatever you do. If you are knowing someone, keep an open mind. Keep an open mind for your family, get-togethers, go visit, have I feel the strongest message is the love is in the air. So enjoy this season of festivities, okay? So whatever you do, keep an open mind. The Cupid is there, the family is there, the friendships, okay? Bloom in that. That's it. So what I'll do, I'll now grab the spread, and we'll start your journey of the energies for the month of November 2016. Bye-bye. Hello wishers, welcome to my channel SA Shell Speaks Messages. I am SA. This is the reading for the sign of Aquarius for the month of November 2016. This is my heart card, self card. If you're new to this channel, just a small intro. This is my heart reading, heart platter. So what you should be doing, this is a card, okay, energy. And my heart reading deals with everything: your passion, your dreams, your relationships, established bonds. Whatever the messages will be, I'll give it to you. Aquarius, now what you need to know is that why you are still holding on to something when everything is very beautiful. I feel as if things are changing, at a very fast pace in your world, and they're on. This energy is on since long. I feel as if your finance is very good. You're working. This is for some of you, okay? So these are mixed messages. There's a growth. You have become more independent. You have done a lot of work to create your finance, your dream come true. You are putting, still it's on, and it will be on. It is like you're getting full support, emotional support from family, or friends. It can be anyone or someone close to you, and it is your own support to yourself. I feel as if it has done what it has done to you right now. You took stand for yourself. You walked away from something that created a lot of trouble in your world, and it is still there at the back burner. I know this energy is holding you sometimes back, makes you emotional. It is possible that this is an on and off situation also for some of you, which makes it very difficult for you people to come out in the light, okay? But regarding work, you are independent. You are on, and you will walk on, okay? New doors are opening for you, and you're creating new things, okay? You're creating new things for yourself, getting more grounded also emotionally. Let me grab something. But with self, there's a fight. There's some there is no comfort with yourself. For some of you, I feel that though everything is very nice, stability is coming in your world, but regarding some past aches or past issues, it is like a situation on and off. Maybe they message you, okay, some emotional message, and they want to convince you, and you just don't want to do that. You have decided that now you're not going back to that turn. Okay, so it is for some of you some sort of disturbance. Okay, now, and I feel that you're not going back because you know what is there, and it took a lot of time for you to come out of that situation, so you are not going there. Okay, maybe you think sometimes, some of you are really thinking about it. You make yourself busy in work, everything is nice, but this thing is troubling you. That's what the energy is. Now, I feel that for some of you, let me grab the energy. I don't want to stop in mid. Some of you, I feel as if you're gonna receive a message, a chat, a call maybe, but a message. I feel email, text, anything. Someone of a water element, okay? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Someone who shows those characteristics. It can be an fire element as well. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. But what I'm viewing is that maybe there is a miscommunication, or say no communication. Not always miscommunication. I feel there is no communication between you both since long. Okay, you're creating yourself, they're creating themselves. I feel some sort of maybe there will be a get together event, maybe possible for some of you, even a marriage of someone, and you'll go there and you might meet them. Also, I feel as if they may message you just like that after long. Okay, and it is like, look, you'll start looking towards future, further movement, though you are a little bit irritant with self maybe, or with someone's energy. I feel as if there is no communication between you both. What to say, mutual communication is not there since long. That's what I see. It is possible that with this person you never had any communication since like 9 years to 14 years, more or less. But what I feel is like it is possible for some of you, it is like just 10 years, exact 10 years. That's what I'm getting message. I feel as if that time also, way back, maybe you were in college, that memories, maybe school, maybe anything, work area or surroundings, maybe you knew each other, but it was a gap. It's a gap since long. Maybe you never agreed with each other on some terms. Possible. Okay, there was a connection, but there was no connection. I feel as if you couldn't walk together, maybe, or open up towards each other about feelings. I feel so, chosen different paths, walked on different paths, and no communication. So emotional attachment never took place. Maybe it had the potential, but it never took place. That's what I view. Now it has, it's having the potential. Maybe you'll start communicating. Maybe you'll ground each other more. Talks, communication, friendship zone can create once again. So Aquarians, there are many messages. Some of you, there's a very sweet message that is, I feel as if people who are creating their career, you have a solid support system. I always say support, whatever. So it's like they are your boost, okay? They know, they believe in you, they love you. This is a water element, especially. So if someone who is a female energy, can be mother, can be sister, can be friend, your energy, self, of emotions maybe, Aquarians. But basically I'm getting the message, someone is very close to you and they support you. They give you boost that whatever you will do, it will be a success, okay? So they're very much emotionally attached, and they are with you on this path of improvement. So whenever you feel, sometimes you feel you won't be able to do it, I won't be able to do it, I am emotionally stressed, what to do, energy. And it is like they take your stand. No, you will do. Start it. Come out. Leave that thinking nothing will happen, things will happen. They say trust. Okay, they have faith in you, and that is the reason that because you are air, you just whoosh, you go like that. Okay, that's the sound. Okay, so they give you a more stable ambience, and you just walk on that, and it's like a future holding prosperity for you, success for you. So whatever you do, okay, I'll come back to this. I give a lot of messages. Okay, this is a self card, your heart card, which is get a new story. So work is on, planted a new tree, love is there. I feel as if you are growing once again. that things you were not doing, you will start doing it. Okay, time has started. It's like a, you know, do it. There are no deadlines, okay, but whatever you are doing is a flight. Whatever you're doing is a circle. The energies are there around you. I feel finance, it's growing. Stability, it's coming. Love is there. Long lost communications on horizon, and yes, that's what I see. All right, cool. Yes, I do take a pause so that I can give you all the messages. So Aquarians, I feel it's a new stories on horizon. So whatever you will create, it will be a success. May it be your career, may it be, you know, whatever you want to achieve regarding emotions, okay, it will be a success. So whatever is a new story for you. Also what I feel is, come out of this ambience that you are sometimes feel like inwards regarding some past aches, maybe possible, very much possible, okay, and you're thinking still about that and you're not thinking about other things. Start thinking about that because it's gone. So for some of you it's gone, okay, they will serve no purpose in your world. Gone is gone. Sometimes it's gone, yes, and for your stability it's gone because something new is on horizon. So I feel some of you will create new stories like love, some of you will create stories like career, new wealth, fame, beautiful compliments you'll achieve. Love is there in the family as well. And you know what, your family or someone close to you, maybe friends, siblings, whomsoever is a feminine energy, they never let you come down, okay. They say you have something higher to offer to society or organization or yourself or your life. So it's like on situation and your ground is very much there, okay. So you take stand for yourself. Whatever you do is a success. All right, so boom energy I can see in November 2016, Aquarians. All right, and yes, I told you that some of you might receive message from your past, okay. Can be a water sign or an fire sign, and this message will disturb you. So hold yourself. Be with the people who love you, okay. This is the message. Think what they did, think what you did to achieve all this, because this energy might create trouble in your world or can make you uncomfortable. So just take care of it, okay. Loads of love. I'll meet you soon, Aquarians. Enjoy. Love, SA Shell Speaks Messages. Bye bye.